Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to connect your Fitbit to Samsung Health, step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your devices and apps. Make sure your Fitbit device is paired with your smartphone using the Fitbit app. You'll also need the Samsung Health app installed on the same phone and an active Samsung account. Step 2. Update apps and firmware. Open both the Fitbit and Samsung Health apps and ensure they are updated to the latest versions. Also, confirm your Fitbit device firmware is current to avoid syncing issues. Step 3. Open Samsung Health. Launch the Samsung Health app. Tap the three-line menu icon, then select Settings or Connected Services. Step 4. Select Fitbit integration. In the list of available apps or services, look for Fitbit. Tap on it to start the linking process. You'll be redirected to log in to your Fitbit account. Step 5. Sign in and grant permissions. Enter your Fitbit credentials and allow Samsung Health to access your activity data, such as steps, heart rate, calories, and workouts. Make sure all relevant permissions are enabled. Step 6. Confirm connection and sync. Once linked, Samsung Health will start importing your Fitbit data automatically. You can check your steps, heart rate, and activity history within Samsung Health to confirm syncing. Step 7. Test data tracking. Wear your Fitbit for a short walk or workout and open Samsung Health to ensure your activity, steps, and heart rate are syncing correctly. Your Fitbit is now connected to Samsung Health, allowing you to monitor all your fitness data in one place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more fitness and tech tutorials.